This is another video which is in continuation of data types. So we will talk about a very important and very uh, great data type which is called strings. So string is very important in Python or any programming language, because without a string we cannot do many tasks or many activities. So let's see what a string is. Well, a string is a piece of text that can be written with single quote or double quote. So it's very easy. It can be a name or anything. Like I say single quote, as I said, name is Ali. For example, we have this. Again, I have name Ali. Both of them correct, because it can be in a single quote or double quote. This is the simple and exact meaning of a string in a programming language. So if someone asks you what is a string in a programming language, you can tell that a string is a piece of text that can be written in a single quote or double quote. It doesn't matter whether it's single quote or double quote. Well, string can be in triple quote as well. Like, for example, for long string, we can have like names, we have triple quote here, line 1, line 2, line 3. So this is also correct, because these are triple quotes, or it can be, it is single, it can be a double as well. So where we use this, sometimes we have a very long comment or very long instruction about something, or very long like paragraph. So we use this triple quote string, but most of the time we use just any of them. So let me print this, either it works or not. Name, I want to print the name, and let's see, it has something in output. Well, string, as I said, a piece of content, a piece of text, or a piece of like anything we can call. So let's see the concatenation of string. Like we have two strings. Let me print hello plus world. So it will print something like hello world. Okay, let me print something hello world. There is no space between them, so we can add a space between them. Or first method is like this, and the second method I'll tell you how we can add a space between them. Like here have another plus sign, and see the space is added here. So this is string concatenation, is one very important point as well, because it's all of them are terms. Obviously the usage is very important and you have to understand. But when someone says that, when some developer tells you about string concatenation, you have to understand that this is the concatenation. We just add two text or two string and one, and make one, and the output will be one, and this is only called string concatenation. And we have sometimes the repetition as well, like for example echo, and we have high and multiplication 3. Let's print this echo, and see 3 times high. Or like we have here some space, and we just run once again 3 times high, high, high. This is called repetition in string. So these are all the functionalities or specificity of this string or this data type. So you have to understand. One another topic is very important we have to understand in string, because I don't want to record any other video about that. So I'll cover that topic here as well. That's called escape character or escape characters. So, or escape sequence, we have to understand this as well. For example, sometimes you just write it is cool. So this is not exact a string, because here we have uh, like apostrophe we can call, or we have a quote, so single quote, because when we write it is means we have to have this, but it doesn't print anything. Like for example, I have str1, and if I print this, print str1, it will throw in some error. So it has thrown some error, syntax error. How to get rid of this means we how to avoid this error. So we have a very great solution here. When we have this and we just want to add backslash. Backslash means when anything comes after the backslash, it means something here in Python. When we just print it is cool, it has become very nice. Our sentence has become complete. And this is another part. And for example, let's have one other thing. How to print this? She said like hi. How to print this when we have double quote? So let's say that and see, like I have added this, and if I print the set, so it will print the same thing. Like it is thrown something here. The error is here. Yes, she said hi. So you have to understand all this. And secondly, one other topic is left. It's also very important. So we have to understand. I just comment out all of them, and for example, name is Ali, age is 25, for example, height is 150. Now if I print, so this, and like the name is name, the age is age, and the height is height. Well, if I print this, yeah, all the things are correct. You know why? Because F formatting is very prominent and everyone uses nowadays this F formatting. So F formatting is for string, that's why everyone uses F formatting, and they are just like they have habit of using this, and if they use something else, they will the error will be in the code. That's why I just also wanted to use that, but the F formatting became very clear, and everything is very nice in F formatting or formatted string. So this is also a specification of a string. It became very important for developers using this. So I just wanted to tell this thing as well. So this is just F formatting or F formatted strings.